The first step is to click on Virtual Store, then you will have Chrome Web Store at hand. In the menu on the left side of the page you will find the following extensions and topics. If you click on Topics, you can visualize those recommended by Google and also their star ratings. You can choose the one that catches your attention and then click on Add to Chrome. Wait for it to load and then review it in a new page. Now you have a creative and colorful design to your personal taste. Back to the web store. And by clicking on Extensions, you can find Categories, All, Recommended for You, Accessibility, Blog, Shopping, Sports, Fun, Photos, Search Tools, Developers Tools, News and Weather, Productivity and finally Society and Communication. If you choose any category, you will have several options to choose from. Click on See All and explore each Google selection. This way you can organize Google in a more dynamic way on your computer.